Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20809. Very nice 2006 Yale GLP040SVX. The S in the model number stands for short wheelbase. This is a 4,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift, however it's about the same size as most common 3,000 pounds. So very tight and nimble. Has a two-stage mast, but does approximately 127 inches of max lift height. Wade's gonna run it up for us real fast. Got load backrest, 42-inch pallet forks, plus a full free lift. Therefore, the forks will actually go up before sending the inside mast rails up. So you can unload and load inside the semi-trailer. We actually get these from Wal-Mart as lease returns. Come in with very low hours, been impeccably maintained and serviced by the dealer. You can come check out this forklift online at embeddedforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.